What happens when stock certificates are lost? This is not an uncommon situation for corporations, particularly small corporations, as they start to grow, as they start to develop. Sometimes people go back and they go to look in the corporate files and there's no stock certificates there. Those stock certificates really should have went to the stockholders at some point, and a lot of times even those stockholders do not have the original stock certificates. Now, the issue from a risk management standpoint for the company and the board of directors that is managing that corporation is that those stock certificates may have been transferred and the transfer may not be recorded on the books and records of the business. So, what this means is there's a risk to the corporation that we could have duplicate stock certificates. Let's say stockholder A sold their shares to their friend Mr. X, and Mr. X then wants to register those shares later. If the company comes back and reissues a new share certificate to stockholder A because they claim the stock certificate was lost, Mr. X might show up and want shares as well. Now, this creates a situation where the corporation has more shares outstanding than they intended. So, what they typically do is look at the risk of these situations and either require a bond or an indemnity, basically a guarantee from the stockholder who claims to have lost their stock certificate to make sure that the corporation and its board doesn't get stuck in the middle of a situation where a stockholder already transferred those shares to somebody else. So it's something you want to talk to your business lawyer about, somebody licensed in your state that's familiar with business law that can help you walk through that process, understand the risks, and help you determine what's appropriate in your particular circumstances to minimize that risk on the corporation and its board of directors. So, hope that's helpful to you. If you have questions about corporations, stock, LLC, feel free to drop your general questions in the comments below. We also love video tips, but don't place anything confidential in the YouTube comments because other people can see them. So don't put sensitive information about yourself or your business. Hope you enjoyed the video. We have a whole library of past videos here on the channel, and make sure you subscribe to the channel for more tips about business and the future of business. I'll see you soon.